how to see shipping deadlines and cutoffs on Ulta Beauty. Hi everyone, in today's video we are showing you um, shipping deadlines and cutoff times when shopping on Ulta Beauty, especially for same day delivery and other delivery options. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can head over to ultabeauty.com and start adding products to our cart. You can look out for this add to back option for the specific product that you would like to purchase. Once it is done, we can go to checkout. So in the top right corner, we can find cart option that we can click on, and that should lead us to the next section. Now let's go ahead and select this option. Usually it's for same day delivery. You can just go and check this option right here and provide in your address and everything. Once it is done, click on checkout option, click on it and head over to the next page. And once you have entered up your shipping address, inside right below your delivery options, it will typically show the order cutout time. So you can just go over, and once you have chosen up your store and everything, usually right below your delivery option, it should show you the thing that you're looking for, the order cutoff time, estimated delivery window, and the delivery fees. Those deadlines are specific to your location and your local store availability. And sometimes Ulta displays shipping the deadlines near the product price or on the cart piece itself right here in the section, and you can just go and view it. Whether within 1 hour to 30 minutes for same day delivery, you can just go and check out, and after entering of your address, you will be seeing delivery options with cutoff times and delivery estimates. And that's it. And deadlines depends on local store stock, your delivery address, and time of day. Ulta shows cutoff times live at checkout, so that's the most accurate place to check. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.